Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, the last video you saw is me ordering the Shady Rays. Well, they're here. And we're going to go ahead and unbox them. I bought the blue. I don't remember which ones I bought. I bought blue, the blue tinted blue tint in the readables, and then I bought the yellow tint in the safety glasses. So there they go. I don't know which. They come in a little protective case, and another one in a safety case. You can order a hard case for them if you want. But I got some hard cases. There we go. It must be the blue. It's got to be the blue ones. Let's see. I need my reading glasses. All right. I wish they had reading glasses with like 0.5. There we go. Shady Ray. These are ultraviolet. 408s, Shady Ray, and of course they're made in China. We're not going to get away from stuff of that nature. These are for adventure. Each pair is made for adventure. For a need versus what? For you need us, we're here, and we stand behind them 1%, 100%, and that's Team Shady Rays. And this there, okay. Okay, so wow, they're big. They're big. They're pretty big faced. These are the blue ones. Decent hinged. Oh, there we go. And the readable was I got 1.5 on the readables. Okay. That works. They fit good. Fit really good. We'll see how long they hold up. They come to you. There's no fingerprints on the lenses. And these are heavy grip, same way. And come all nice and secure. And these are safety glasses. These can be used at your company, depending on if they'll let you wear yellow ones. They do come in clear. As you can see, they're a wider. Thanks. You can use these for shooting too. Yeah. These definitely come wide here compared to your regular sunglasses. See, you're going to have that wider thing to it, being a adventure. Again, you can wear them for anything, but they are safety glasses, so you can wear them. So you can wear these riding a motorcycle. I think you'd want for a motorcycle, you'd want the foam around the inside. Yeah, that would keep stuff from getting in there. But for general safety, in the garage, which is where I'm going to be wearing them, and I gave them that. I just gave them that yellow. The yellow tint makes things just a little bit brighter. That's why I kind of went with those. So I'll keep you up to date as to how they perform. I'll have a link down in the bottom. So again, these are readable. These are readables. I got the 1.5 magnification strip in the bottom. I mean, you really can't even tell they're there. And then again, I went with the blue. You can get them blacked out if you want. I don't know. I went with blue because I got blue eyes. And usually I will definitely be wearing them while I'm doing outside security, and that'll feels right. All right, so there we go. That's my that's my unboxing of the Shady Ray brand of sunglasses and adventure safety glasses. These were 80. These were 80 and 80 something, and these were 49. And their lifetime. 2 replacements. If you lose them, just let them know you lost them, and they'll replace it just for the simple shipping charge of $9.99, I believe. But there you go. Same with these. You lose them, scratch them, break them in any way, they will replace them. So just the other incentive of getting a good deal on sunglasses by you purchasing them. In my case, I provided 10 meals to fight hunger. They're taking their profits and they're helping fight hunger. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Your email address in the comments below, and I will send you a link to get a $15 discount on your purchase. And I'm not sure if that'll include your. They do give a for military personnel or first responders, or you just got to look down in the bottom in there. Different professions and stuff like that, they will give you a 30% discount, and that code's good for 1 pair every 30 days. So take a look at that. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next Dave Crosby's Vlogs.